Watercolor painting reminds me of the first time I played adult league basketball. I walked into the gym feeling pretty confident, saw a bunch of older guys with gray hair and thought, yeah, I'm about to cook these dudes. About a minute later, I was looking for a fake injury so I could get out of the game. That's watercolor sometimes. It'll humble you fast. And honestly, that's why I think structure matters so much. Loose painting doesn't mean random painting. For me, everything comes back to construct, deconstruct. Learn the fundamentals, understand the medium, understand design, values, composition, edges, movement. Because those are the things holding the painting together underneath all the chaos. Watercolor can get away from you quickly. Wet and wet gives you the soft edges and happy accidents. Dry brush gives you structure and control. A good painting usually has both. But the biggest mistake I see artists make is trying to control every single inch of the painting. That usually kills the energy. What really matters is understanding the why behind the piece. What excites you about it? Maybe it's the figures. Maybe it's the car. Maybe it's the light and shadow. Maybe it's the shape of the building. That's the thing you push. The rest can fall apart. Not every area needs equal attention. Actually, it's usually better if it doesn't. That contrast between control and collapse is where the emotion starts to happen. So when you practice, don't just practice painting objects. Practice structure, design, value. Practice understanding what matters, because once those things become second nature, you can finally loosen up and let the medium breathe. And that's when watercolor starts getting really interesting. Follow for more.